but you can call me City Mom, because I am a mother of 3 handsome boys. To my new subbies, thank you so much for joining the family, and if you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support. Really appreciate it. Guys, I'm starting a new vlog and there's no yapping for me. I don't know if I love it for me, but and or I'm actually annoyed because I actually love yapping. But anyway, I'm starting a new vlog. Today is a Monday. I made some cute thank you cards. I'm gonna put them here on the side. So I'm going to a Postnet to print them out. Also get nice packaging, and yeah, it's things that I've always known that I need to have for my business. Your thank you cards, your stickers, your nice packaging, whatever. And I haven't been doing them or taking them seriously. I don't know why. But yeah, I am doing it now. I am doing it. So I am here at Denford Square because Postnet wethu pha uvaliwe. And I was like, you know what, let me just come to the Postnet that I know. At this point, I should move back to Foy's. I should just move back to Foy's because I'm always in Foy's. And yeah, I would love to move back to Foy's, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, yes, I'm gonna buy you chippy. Sit down. Mom's gonna buy you chips, ne? So yeah, guys, let's run our errands. And also someone bought 2 pinifers, and I don't think ebe size yakhe, but she was desperate etufuna amapinifa fast. So ndathatha ke ipinifers, guys, ezizibuyiswe ngabantu fumanisa uba athi umuntu inkulu nqomba hayi ndizawuqala phansi ndenze enye. So now I also need to go buy material so that I can always have pinifers in the house. And I'm also hoping I can find leya hanger, guys, endandinixelele ngayo. That hanger that I've once told you guys about. Thank you. You guys remember that long hanger that I said I need? So I also need to get it so that I'm a pinifa lawa engifuna ukuthi ahlale ama ready made ahlale khona. So basically that's what we're doing. And yeah, it's a Denford, guys. So let's quickly do this and then go to Foy's Mall, get a plastic lawa okufaka. And we're basically just running errands with my son. It is so cold now. Like you can't. It's a lady again. Yo, guys, I getting too. Someone said on the comment section, I must give them grace. I'm like, yes, guys, I give everyone grace. I give these ladies grace, but sometimes I'm too stressed to be worrying about driving nonsense. Because why are you driving like that? Abanye aba-indicate umuntu vele afohleleke nje aka-indicate akakunikeza isign yokuthi okay, this is what I'm doing, so that I know ukuthi ngibreake ngikulinde. Hi guys, no, you can't do it like this. Hayi amantombazana ngiyawavuma. And guys, I'm not saying I am the best driver, but guys, bheka phela nayo into yenzayo. Signalisha something. Give me something. You know, just give me something. But yeah, guys, I'm here at Denford. Let me stop complaining about bad drivers. This one. Oh. Guys, I'm not in the mood today. So I sent that girl a voice note telling her when can I come get my material. Oh, girl viewed my status. The girl that I was telling you guys about, that I was starting to work with her and she's decided to screw me over. She viewed my status on Instagram, the business page. So which means girl has her phone now. But she still sees no need to talk to me. So I sent her a voice note today telling her if she can just please give me my material, tell me how, when I should come get my material. And yeah, because I don't want to do things my own way. she might not like them. So I was like, you know what? Tell me when I can come get my material. Yeah, boy. And okay, again, she's still not talking to me. So I'm like, hey guys, I don't know how people think izinto zabo zizosebenza. Like, how do you want God to bless you when you are treating people like this? But anyway, sizamlinda ugel. But if akaphenduli at some point kuzomele senze izinto ngenye indlela, and I hope uzoyithanda because ukuhlanya sihlanya sonke yazi. But we just choose to be peaceful. Come, let's go. Kulungile, bye, morning. Say hi. Morning. Morning. Bye, guys. Hi guys, I went to Leroy Mainland and they have them, but it's 700 rand and it's so small. So I think I just have to order online. And I'm rushing because I left Ulubanze Motweni. I think I'll just have to order online and stop this thing of thinking I'm gonna get these hangers $8 because the ones that I want, they are online, not Emma shops. But yeah, let's continue. Guys, here am I. Thank you, Kat. I hope you guys can see them. They are written, thank you. Sure. Thank you for choosing us. Hope to see you soon. City Mom Clothing, where luxury meets comfort. So I made 50. Let's continue. I'm so tired. Good morning, guys. Today's not another day of this vlog. Well, it is another day of this vlog, but today is a Wednesday, right? It's not the following day. That's what I wanted to say. I am currently going to Midrand to check if my stock is available. I've ordered I did it before I even went home, guys, the perfume core. I don't know if you guys have seen it on TikTok, and I joined. Okay, right now I'm in a rush to be doing this, but let's go check if it's stock samsi corner so that this will start up and start selling and then I'll do the stop it. And I'll do the explanation, guys, when I'm when I'm settled. When I'm settled, guys. We are selling perfume core. Guys, there is no one who hustles like a single mother. There is no one who hustles like a single mother because now, guys, I want one day when I die for my kids to say, but mommy tried. She tried. Angna petrol, I need to pour petrol. Mommy tried. If everything fails, we dust our degrees and we go look for a job. But for now, we try. But yeah, guys, yes, baby. Sit there. Thank you. So let's go fetch the perfumes. I hope they're available. Also, the reason I think they're available, there is someone who joined under me. She found me on YouTube, right? No, not found me on YouTube, man. She watches my channel, so, and also follows me on Instagram. So I posted on Instagram before I could even get the stock. Guys, I've joined this perfume core thing and I want to try it out. And if you want to join under me, holla at me. Here's my number. So yeah, she did, and then she registered under me, and then she bought perfumes. So she told me yesterday that her perfumes sebemsendele SMS uba she can come get them, and I'm like, I kushud nezamsezikhona because mna ndithenge kuqala kunaye, hence I'm going there now. So anyway, guys, yeah, let's go. I have some few things to do, put petrol, and then we go, and then I'll come back and I'll explain everything for those who want to join the business and start selling. I don't want any single mother who's going to complain about money. Guys, ngibona ngixaye kanjani ngidayisa amaphinifa, ngidayisa ingubo, ngino YouTube, manje ngiyodayisa ama perfume. Sekushoda nje ukuthi ngithi I'm selling my kidney ke manje. Kushoda ukuthi now I'm selling my kidney. But all I'm saying, if you're a single mom, please stop. It's fine. But now we're gonna try for our kids, right? We're gonna try for our kids and we're gonna give our kids the best. The best, right? Kulungileke, bye. Let's go, guys. Because one thing about me, also I need to drop my phone ku guy ozongilungisela yona. Yeah. So yeah, that's all we're doing. He's in Rosebank. We're going to Midrand, then Rosebank, and then we come back. Okay, guys. Asambeni kulungileke, bye. I'm so hungry.
A pizza.
I just bought you McDonald's. You want a pizza? Njani?
No.
I won't put lala ham. Hi. How are you? I'm good. Where is the entrance for the perfume core?
Yeah, no. The only thing that I can do, I'm gonna ask you to reflect this order, and then it goes with any hub order. Yeah, we pay. Here we pay. That's the best I can do. Now I'm thinking Ria from local.
Because when it rains, it pours. And right now, it's raining because what nonsense is this? Wow. Got my things. This is for my mom. This is for me. We both ordered the same things. And that's why I don't know. Guys, I am here to drop my phone and then we go home. Because Antizoyishia AI store. This thing of me, Yoguti, I don't wanna put nepi kulubanzi during the day. If in a straten, uzoti tama, atama. Ufuna ukama, I keep packing. Manje we just parked and githi chama lubanzi ubambi ncanca umchama uphumi. Lapho ngipake kambi kanjani. Guys, no. Like it's easy in the house because he knows we get toilets and stuff. It's so easy in the house. In the house, I don't put him nappy during the day. So now I'm trying not to put nappy even Mrs. Stratton to train his mind to tell me which is doing great. Even yesterday he told me I parked on the side, wakam. Now ngathi enjoy ukuthi atama. Nako ke manje ngimile ke manje umchama uphumi kulubanzi kodwa uthi ufuna ukuchama.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Cumberland Avenue.
Guys, I'm gonna bring back my baby on board sticker at the back. You know that thing that you put at the back? I'm gonna bring it back. Let baby on board.
Turn left onto Cumberland Avenue.
There, boy. I was saying, guys, I'm gonna bring back that baby on board thingy. I need to look for it in the house, find it, because one thing about people in the road, when you have that baby on board thingy and L for Lena, I shem abantu abakuhlupha estradeni abakuhlupha abantu emgaqweni. So nje u-L wami obviously angikwazi ukuthi ukuphi. It's been more than 7 years now driving this car. I need that baby on board. Ngizawufaka lapha ngemuva. Funa abantu bangibaleke manje emgaqweni. Ya nana, we're gonna call okuhle when we get home. Ngifuna bangibaleke abantu manje. Ngikhathele. Awu ngikhathele shem. Ha? Hi guys. Hello. Guys, I'm back home. This is my order. This is my mom's order. She joined under me and she bought. So I'm gonna take these perfumes home because I don't wanna overwhelm myself with everything that I'm doing now, selling perfumes. But since I'm gonna start advertising, I'll see if I have people here in Joburg who wants the perfumes, who wants to buy them and use them. Then yeah, but yeah. So if you want to join, and Nandesi sponsors us, it's 99 Rand. It's 99 Rand, and then there's 30 mil and 50 mils. So now I started with 50 mils, and I bought 11 perfumes. I bought 11 50 mils, which was 1,000. Well, it was 1,000, and then including it delivered, it was 1.1 somewhere there. So to start this business, I basically used 1,000, let's say 1,200. So if you don't want to start with 50 mils, you can start with 30 mils and pay. 30 mils are, how much? 10 are 300 and something. So it's your 300 and something and your 99 rand. So basically 400 or 500 to start this business. So we are here, guys. Guys, I don't want to take them like because I'm taking them home. Like I said, I'm taking them home so that my mom can. I need to find one that I really like, and then okay, this perfume, this is 50 ml, it's 250. I'm selling it for 250. And also guys, we don't make up our own prices. The company gives us the prices. Uguti, you can only sell it for 250, and then the 30 ml 450. So I can't say 350 or 400. I can't, because, well, I think I can, but the way this company is known everywhere on social media, akunamuntu ozothenga kumina ngo350 bebe bewazi ukuthi awu 250. Guys, they actually smell nice. Guys, I'm happy. If you want to join, it's 99 rand. It's 99 rand. And guys, you mustn't be lazy. You mustn't be lazy. You mustn't be lazy. You mustn't be lazy. You must look for people to join under you. Those people are going to push you, and then you're going to start getting salary every month, depending. Oh, this smells good. What is this? I think I'm gonna take this. What is this? Oh, Coco May. Yo, ndiqalile in English. But mandi. Inspired by Creed. Oh, guys. But anyway, guys, I was just here to show you the perfumes. I need to take a short video for my social media, the other social medias, so that I can advertise there. So I just wanted to say, if you want to join the Perfume Core, guys, the Perfume Core is everywhere on social media. It's everywhere. And the reason I chose the Perfume Core and not anything else, like forever, I'm gonna make an example, guys, because I can sell it, but for me, I felt like buying it forever, the products are too, it's expensive. Like there's something that I want from it forever, it's 900 and something. I want to buy, it's 900 and something, and I'm like, I don't know, I don't think I want to join a business that the products are high priced. So then I'm this one each, it's 250. To start a business here, you don't pay a lot of money. So I don't want something enzotingiti nyadaisa 30 ml, it's 150. It's a perfume and it lasts and they are strong. So umuntu uzomdayisela le perfume ngo 250. Oh, because it should be, the guys, let's be honest, they're very cheap, they're reasonable. So I chose the Perfume Core because of that. I chose it because I feel like I can push it, I can sell it. And if I don't get a lot of people to join under me, I can definitely make money through selling these perfumes, because I'll have a profit. So because I'm doing a lot of things as well, so I don't want it as stock lana. So I'm gonna take all this perfume, put them back here, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go to Postnet, send my mom's box and my box. She will sell them emakaya and then send me my profit. The profit yam, the tag kanjalo. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Guys, I'm happy. Guys, there's nothing that makes me happy than the fact that I can see Uguti abona manje. Yini. Bye guys, I don't have space to galavant and to tell you, so holla me, inbox me on Instagram if you are interested. Even Unozbele, guys, Namas Unozbele, she's a YouTuber as well. She sells this perfume and she's making a good amount of money because Gatena Gudala was bad. So guys, a friend of mine told me about them, and then I checked them out and I was like, girl, if anything is on Seli Mali, I'm in it. So asebenzeni. 3, 6, 9, 11. Okay, cool. So guys, I left one that I like. I really love this one. So yeah. Ngizofaka u250 ku-business account. Before needs nje. Get this stock. I wanna put 250 on my account. Yeah, but I'm using this one. I'm leaving this one. Hi guys, I just finished taking my shower and guys, I think when this is finished, this product, this hyaluronic acid, I'm gonna buy it next because it's anti-aging. What is it? It's anti-aging, extreme hydration, improved firmness. So I'm definitely gonna buy it. I've been saying I wanna buy anti-aging products for my face and I didn't do it, you guys know. And I'm approaching 40. 40 is knocking and I am here relaxed, yeah, about my skin. I'm not doing anything about my face, my skin, my everything. But yeah, thank you to the campaign. Is it not campaign? The event that gave us this, because when it's finished, I'll make sure to go look for it and for all skin types. So yeah, the Itana guys, I really like it. So I just finished taking my shower for the night, which is why I'm putting it. So yeah, love it so much. Anti-aging. Who would have thought, guys? Oh, cool. Haven't any drama. But yeah, for someone who's approaching 40, I look good. I look good, baby, and I look good. I look good, baby. I look good. For someone who's approaching 40, I look very good, I must say. Yabo, ngekusho nje ukuthi ngugogo ngimdala. Abafana baseDurban basibiza ngeyigogwana. Uthi asiyigogwana, ukuthiwa wangitshela lezo sigogwana. So, guys, what's wadlula ku-29? Game over for you. It's game over. Uyisigogwana. Once nje wasi 30. Uyisigogwana. But I'm just here to say I'm definitely gonna buy it again and again and again and again when this one finishes, obviously in design 10. I hope it's not expensive. Oh, love it for me. Bye guys. Guys, I just made this using my air fryer. Yeah, one. I was craving pancakes and I was like, yini lubanzi inhlama ngizoyenza iqine. Yaqoma inhlama ngizoyenza iqine. But and all this time I didn't know about air fryer bake. Actually does. So I made these. I'm gonna have coffee. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. But yeah, I'm so excited. This was so fast. Guys, bengizonibonisa nje ukuthi ndenze ama scones nge-air fryer. The whistling cattle is whistling. Hey guys, I feel like the update is useless, but it is another day of this vlog. And I've dropped off the perfumes at Postnet, Bazosenda, Ekaya. Then my mom can start selling them, or my cousin, whoever. So yeah guys, I am back home now. It's a Friday and yeah, bengifuna nje ukuwahambisa, but if there's someone if niyawafuna guys ukuthi ngiwadayise even here in Joburg, I'll buy stock that I'll keep here in Joburg. But for now, like I said, I don't want to overwhelm myself, so my mom will sell them for me while I concentrate on finding people to register under my business.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, would you?